Apparently we're getting rained on real good. I don't know how to work this thing. I know, you see that? What the hell is that? So, I made lasagna. Look how thick that thing is. Yes, I made it with my own two hands. Like $35, damn near $40 to make this shit anymore. I figure, fuck it. Right? God? Is that you? We decided to run off. No, I got a plate. Shelly got a plate. 20 bucks. I'll show you around this place. Got a little Studebaker in here and everything. Asked for a Cadillac. Pretty cool. I want to get one of these. That's pretty awesome. I got some pretty cool things in here. Whatever. Lots and lots of pictures. We was coming down the road and I didn't know exactly what the hell it was, but I seen this sign right here. Whatever. Pretty cool looking place. Yo. You know me, I was like, man, we gotta stop there. Ready? Kitties! Girl. Hit him. It's raining today. Can't do a damn thing. Look at kitty cat. Sitting right there. You guys sit out in the rain? Scared of me. Scaredy cat. Anyways. Yeah. She's coming from the downspout of the shower, the drain shower. So that should be easy fix. That'll be easy. You know I'm gonna bring you along for that one. Money is a little tight right now, so we're just kind of laying low a little bit. I'm gonna start like fixing things and like putting crap up for sale and buy some good stuff. Well, as you can tell, it's been raining for the past couple days. I've been wanting to go work on the fort out in the woods out here, but the rain. And also, I'm trying to figure out, they make a trailer hitch or whatever to put on that, and find like a little trailer to haul the new lawnmower, so that way we can go mow other places, because she's got more land other places. But Also to like bring home like pallets and everything. They give free pallets away all the time, so I want to go get some of them. Start building. I mean, I could work with whatever's out there, I'm sure, but I don't know really how to make a log cabin. I watch a lot of the videos though, so if I do something like that, you're gonna know that I learned off of YouTube. I mean, you gotta learn something somewhere, right? I'm old enough to put two and two together and figure that out. So I bought this yesterday at the thrift store or whatever. I got the gears and everything to work on it. I took the seat off, and well, I'm gonna show you exactly what I did with the seat. Blue Bike's got a seat now. I also bought it for the brakes, but I'm noticing like these, they're just totally solid. I don't know, but these are not the same. Because if you kind of look, they got a little tab or whatever, and like there's a spring wire or whatever that goes through it. I don't know if you can see that or not. But I was trying to get some brakes too. Like, I don't know, I might be able to rig those somehow on the blue one. Guys, I was sitting here looking at this. This is the seat off my blue bike. If I put it at the same angle, look how much damn difference that is. How are you gonna ride a bike with that shit stuffed up your crotch? And then I looked online to see if I could find one that was adjustable or whatever. Man, they're like 70, 80 bucks on up for this. And it is cheap. It feels like it came off a little kid's bike. You can't adjust it. That's how they make the little kid's bike. Did you see? Hello? Good morning, babies. Get her a little muck. This one's pregnant. See, this one's got babies. We got more babies. I know. Oh, wait a minute. That's a different one. This one's pregnant. Yep. Girlfriend, don't you know we don't need more babies? What about you, mama? The little one's getting bigger, though. See her. Say, babies, get in there and drink your milk. Get in there and drink your milk. Good morning, world. It is still raining. This is like day number 3 now. I can't accomplish nothing. Hopefully you guys are all having a blessed day. Looks like I get to hide out one more damn day, huh? Lord knows the grass is gonna be nice and tall though. I get a little use out of that new lawnmower. It's a damn shame you buy something expensive like that and you only use it like maybe once a week. Believe it or not, boys and girls, look at how big that motherfucker is. I mean, Jesus. Let me get to the other side. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him. Yeah, there he is. Oh, why can't I get him? Kick my ass. What kind of spider is that? Is it one of the fruit spiders or something? Look at that crazy web that he made. I'm trying not to fuck up his house. But I almost stuck my head straight into the damn thing. And he's right there. I don't much like spiders. So anyways, it's been raining for the past couple days. I had to go pick up one of the trees over there. She kind of went completely down. So, and it just bunched up in a bunch, whatever. Yep, I had to pull out the trailer and put a new hitch on the bad boy. Basically, it's just an eyelet with a bolt, a couple nuts on there, and some washers. Heck, it works though. It's better than nothing. Listen, I ain't carrying that shit across the yard. And if you're gonna, goddamn machine, maybe utilize it. You put a snow plow or something on it. What do you think? Well, I got the light to turn on. Pretty sure it's not gonna turn on ever again, but look. You see his ass? You see the little baby one? And then there's your money shot, baby. What kind of spiders are these? That's Malmo though. Look at the shadow on that bad boy. Ugh. I think they're harmless, so I'm not gonna mess with them. Anyways, I was just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do about this damn garage door situation. As you can see, the spring is kind of broken. So we got animals and shit coming in here, and I don't want them chewing on the wires and the seat and everything on like this expensive ass damn thing. You know. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna fix this damn garage door. It's like at the storage unit where it pulls up and it rolls up. You know, you see it. But I don't know what I'm gonna do about that damn broken spring though. And like getting the lawnmower in and out. Yeah, I could make a smaller door, but like I'm trying to, how can we do this without spending money? It's junk. I'm just trying to keep the animals out, and like besides that, over there in that corner, they've already dug underneath there. There's a big ass hole where like the fattest cat could fit through there. Even Garfield. There ain't no lasagna in here though. I mean, it kind of looked like it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Boy. Come on. My light's almost dead. I can't see shit. Ooh. The little one. The little one. Hi, baby. Okay. Oh my God. They gonna hold it? Woo. Yeah, that'll work. All right, that's what we're fucking with. So I found this outside the door when I moved in, whatever. So I thought maybe we would give her a little shot. I have no idea if it's gonna work. Look at this. Listen. I got tools, everything. We're gonna start fucking with something. So this is a Sears Craftsman Generator. And so I already cheated, guys. Man, listen. Oh, she's on wheels. Racer. I see no Sparky, guys. I don't know what the hell this is. Creepy within itself. It's your fat ass up there. There we go. Yeah. I'm wondering why the fucking chair won't move. So I went to Hobble Fright and like went and got one of these things. 10. A fucking 10. How long before I lose it? A 10. Does it not come with a damn extension? No. Well, why the fuck not? Make it work, make it work, make it work, baby, make it work. I like this little table. You see, I got my little, listen, you guys tell me to get a vise. So I got a vise now. I don't know, I found it over there. Okay, we already got too much shit going on here. Way too much shit. All right. You guys wanted to watch? I guess there's only 2 bolts holding that thing on there. I don't know how that is, but I really don't think so. You can yell at me in the comments if you want to. It's gonna be too damn late though. I'll figure this shit out. Is there one up here? There has to be something holding this damn thing on, so I'm gonna go ahead and guess probably yes. I'm gonna have to go upstairs and get my glasses probably. And she's really stuck on there real good. Like, how the fuck? And it doesn't even move either. Like, so, I mean, it is a generator. It's not supposed to move. But, You see something in here that I don't, huh? You like my table? Yeah, I just bring you around. Bring you around town. A different size. Oh, you're already trying to. This one's already trying to escape. Little bastard. You ain't doing that. Oh, that's not even that one. I just need to take them out and put them in a Tupperware and lose them like I'm supposed to, like I always do. Now I definitely need a damn extension. Thanks, Hobo Freight. Supplied with all tools. I've been trying to go cheap, but like shit, dude. Going cheap gets expensive. Also, well, I don't have an extension, and I need to go like not even a half a damn inch. You bitch! Man, I've been looking at all my damn tools and like, I swear to God, there is no damn extension. So I had to go buy more tools just to do this. I already got to go buy gas. That's why this video is not going to happen within, like, you know. Somebody tell Hobo Freight to, like, you know, sponsor me. I did, however, find a little wrench to get those off. So I'm thinking, maybe if I get down a little bit deeper, I can use something different to get those off. I have a little tray. There is a little tray. We can put stuff in. Need to go get one of the magnetic ones. We're starting bare minimum again, guys. Kind of sucks. Anyways, let me get this off. Well, that still didn't get me no damn where. I was kind of hoping that maybe I don't know what I was hoping. I ain't never worked on one of these before, so and I didn't look online, and I'm not going to. I'm gonna be stubborn about it. I see this right here. I can drop the tank, I think. And then I can get that carburetor off. I don't know if I start there or what. Let's try. How many screws hold this damn thing on? Does anybody know? 3 screws. 3 screws to be exact, guys. If you ever really want to know how many damn screws hold on to this damn gas tank, it's 3! This bitch ain't never gonna run again. Yeah, it will. long as I got this stupid video right here, I'm making for everybody's entertainment, is also to show me what the hell I did wrong, or how I put it back together, or how I took it apart. But what the hell? Oh, oh, okay. Uh-oh, now we need to get off the bench. We need to hang off the edge. We gotta hang off the edge here. See, you guys can't even see. Having way too much fun without me. Well, that's how that comes off. I think there's supposed to be a bolt on there. Oh, the cobwebs, just something. All right. Now, this is our governor right here. She's free, that's good. This is the tube that picks up the fuel into the carburetor. If you did not know that. That's why she's so long and slender. So she can fit right down in that little tiny hole in that tank. And suck straight from the bottom. Told you there's another bolt. Didn't I? Didn't I? This is escalating pretty quickly. All right. All right. We are getting somewhere, guys. Well, now what? We just got too many things. We only need the 8 and the 8 and the 10s. Like, we don't need any of these other damn bolts, damn sockets and shit, do we? What was that? A ball? Okay. Where's it stuck? Oh. So I guess I gotta take out these two also. Let me do that. Damn things were thinking about being a different size there for a minute. Little fucker. I don't think so. Now. Well, what in the hell is going on here? Oh. Oh, dang. Yeah. That could make it to where she don't want to work. Whew, look at that. I can't believe I actually got that unplugged without even breaking it. It'll be some kind of miracle. Oh, yes. Yes. Well, there's your problem. It ain't got no gas. Guys, I know that shit's old, but whatever. I mean, it's like a mechanic joke. You gotta keep saying the shit. Oh, hell. It's got a... Oh, dang. What is that? It's got a capacitor or something in there? What is that? Got a wire right here. She's tight too. Why is it so tight? What does that do? Well, anyways, like what I was gonna do, and the only thing I really know how to do or whatever. Oh, I just scratched the paint on the toolbox. Get out of here. Bastard cat. Now your ass is mine. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this coil off. What the fuck, dude? This thing's got all kinds of wires going to it. Well, I guess I can't do what I was gonna do. Yeah, I can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a wire brush and I'm gonna clean these contacts up, and I'm gonna clean the flywheel up too. Make her all shiny and new. I like to use these brass brushes from the Hubble Freight. I'm telling you, they should sponsor. Clean it real good, get all the rust off. This flywheel is really bad. And this is the part where it picks up. So you definitely want that piece to be nice and clean. I guarantee you, once I clean all this up, I think it's just that spot. She spins pretty freely. Might even do an oil change. Clean this spot up right here. See if we got spark. So I got a kind of a pretty good feeling that this coil is probably no good. Mainly just because like it's got some kind of what the hell is going on here? But it's got some kind of a capacitor or something that sits behind the flywheel that's connected to it. Wait a minute. So the kill switch goes directly to the coil. This goes through that down into that capacitor and like something on the inside there. Anyways, so I cleaned this up good enough. I might go all the way around the whole flywheel actually, but I don't think it's really necessary, but I could be wrong, guys. Like I work on scooters, not generators. You get a damn scooter, I'll show you how. I'll show you what's up. I found one for sale today and like I couldn't figure out how to get to the house, so that's that. I can't see. I don't see nothing, guys. So I really don't think it's the coil itself. Now, I'm gonna go look online and like see about this damn Sears Craftsman, like whatever the fuck this thing is, and like I'm gonna see what you can see it. That red wire, it goes to it right there. That's a capacitor of some sort. Dang, I can see more shit in there. What's all that shit? Do I need to take out the flywheel? I don't want to take out the flywheel just in case I like fucking break it. I don't have all the proper tools, so I'm gonna go look online. See what I can come up with. Wish me luck.